Ready? You'll be fine.
You'll be okay, Em. Keep your back straight.
That's why Flora's there. Hands on your
Go on, up.
That's it. So stand up, down now. Keep them hands on your head. Put your hands on your head. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Push on your feet, Emily. Stand up high. And again, go on, push, Emily. Once you get the rhythm, you'll be fine. Stand up, sit down. Up, push on your feet. And again, stand up, down, up, down, up, down. Higher, Emily. Stand up high. And again, stand up high. Emily, once you get the rhythm, you'll be fine. You've just got to be brave and push up really high. Stand up. Push, push, push. Push on your feet. Push on your feet. Stand up, sit down. Stand up, sit down.
Well done, Em. Good girl.
And again, try and stand up, sit down. Okay, just come to walk. Stand up now, Emily, with your hands on your head, please. Stand up. Higher. Higher. Good girl. And again. Stand up high. And sit down. And again, stand up high. And then down. And again. Call me Flora. Stand up, Emily. Stand up. Emily, stand up. And again, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just push. And again, stand up. Emily. Keep